What are we doing, Hayley?
Waiting for the Uber.
Zisakia. Tony. Good on ya. Hi, mate.
Traffic is cool.
Yeah.
My lap sounds so creepy in this.
What's the time?
Green, purple, pink.
That's a color, not a time.
6:08.
So we're a little bit
We
late.
should have been there. But it's fine. I'm freaking out. Let's rock today. Hey, I'm Hayley. I'm from Pitch Black, and we're headed to Pitch X tonight, where it's a 90-second pitch. All the focus is on the Uber of X type of ideas. So we're gonna head in, meet some cool people, chat to the panel. Let's go.
$2,000 voucher for Hyper Apps. We've got a 1-month subscription to TwoSpace. We've got a $1,000 Academy Exercise Scholarship. I didn't even check that with anyone, I just did it. And for the runners-up, $500 for Sasha, a 2-week subscription to TwoSpace, and a boot camp from us. So they're the prizes.
We'll do the 2 runners-up first in no particular order. One of the runners-up is Make a Change. Congratulations, well done. Second runner-up was Sign How.
Fantastic, wasn't it?
It's difficult for me personally to understand the problem, but I can see that the problem exists.
I'm speechless.
The best startup presented tonight was Epic Catch.
Great example of personal story. I always ask for 2 things, personal story and traction.
Thank you to Judges Responsible Bill, Sasha, Ren, and Laxmi, and thank you to everyone for coming.
How do you think tonight went?
Look, I think it's good. I think what's nice about it is that it is, an entry-level pitch night, but it's not nothing, right? A bit of advice, a bit of feedback, but the very fact that everybody's sort of talking to each other at the end, like that's the main thing.
What do you think the people pitching could improve for next time?
2 major things that I want to ask for is personal story. At the end of the day, it's such an emotional ride. Like if there's no real personal connection, then it's so easy to just quit halfway. So it's number 1, and number 2 is traction. I always ask for traction. Often what you've achieved doesn't have to be in terms of dollars. It's in terms of like human behavior. I want them to show us like that they're freaking hustlers and that they are the people to do this.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. So tonight we just finished up attending the Pitch X event where people pitch their Uber for X idea. Congrats to everyone that pitched tonight, you guys were awesome. And the key thing that I noticed was that people were not very clear about what their business actually does. Please explain your business in a way that's super clear to understand and easy enough for a 12-year-old to understand. And I don't know what else to say. Woo! Log 1! Thanks for watching.